Students and friends, welcome back to the Prithviraj English Academy. For our social study series of Karnataka State Board, part number 1 of history 2025 and 26 academic year. In this video, we are going to discuss about 9 standards, chapter number 2nd, India from 6th to 14th century. Question answers. Without a delay, let's start the question answers of chapter number 2nd, India from 6th to 14th century. Exercises in that first main, fill in the blanks with suitable words. The founder of the Gurjar Pratihara Rajput dynasty was dash. Answer is Hari Chandra. Answer is Hari Chandra. Now move to the second. Prithviraj Chauhan defeated dash in the first battle of Tehran. 1191 CE. Here you have to mention. Okay. Then second, the chief commander of Muhammad Ghori was dash. Muhammad Ghori's chief commander. Answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak. The first woman to rule among the Delhi sultans was dash. So answer is Rajia Sultan. Answer is Rajia Sultan. Now move to the fifth one. The famous sultan of the Khilji dynasty was dash. Answer is Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji. Now move to the next. The capital was shifted from Delhi to dash during the rule of the Tughlaq. Devlatabad. Answer is Devlatabad. Now move to the second main. Answer the following questions. So continuing with the seventh one. Explain the contributions of the Rajput kings in the field of literature. Rajput contribution to the literature. The Rajput kings greatly encouraged the literature and education. Kings like Bhoja and Munja were themselves scholars. Their courts and poets such as Padmagupta, Halayuddha and Jain scholars like Shantasena, Prabha Chandrasuri and Ganapala. The key literary works of this period included Gita Govinda of Jayadeva, Kirtarjuna by the Bharvi, Kavya Mimamsa by the Mahendrapala, dramas of during this time Bala Ramayana, Karapura Manjari, Mahavira Charita, Uttara Ramacharita, histories Rajatarangini, Prithvi Raj Vijaya, Kumarapala Charita, Prithviraj Raso by the Chandbardai and Bhoja Prabandha by the Ballala. Languages like Gujarati, Rajasthani and Hindi developed. Education centers like Nalanda, Banaras, Vikramashila and Ujjaini were promoted. Okay, now move to the eighth one. Who was the important king of Karkota dynasty of Kashmir? How he expanded his empire? Lalitaditya Mukutapida was the most celebrated king, a famous king of the Karkota dynasty, who extended his empire and influence from the Kashmir Valley across the North India, east to Bengal, west to Kabul, maintained strategic diplomacy with the regional powers including Rashtrakuta and partnered with the Tanga dynasty China in campaigns against the Tibet. Describe in brief the administrative system under the Iltutmish. Iltutmish divided his kingdom into the provinces, Iqta, and to oversee the administration appointed the provincial officers like Iqtadars. He appointed a group of 40 soldiers to advise him in the matters of administration and justice. The Prime Minister and the judges were advisors to the Sultan. Iltutmish brought gold and silver coins into the circulation. He completed the construction of the Qutub Minar, which was started in Qutbuddin Aybak's time. Now move to the what are the administrative reforms of the Alauddin Khilji? Alauddin Khilji brought about many reforms in the administration. He abolished religious endowments, inams means gifts, and land and subsidy. He established efficient intelligence network. He also abolished the consumption of the alcohol, drugs and gambling. He also banned social gatherings of his lieutenants, their socialization with the public and inter-caste marriages. He directed his lieutenants to collect heavy tax from the public. What are the administrative reforms brought in practice by the Muhammad bin Tughlaq? So first one, revenue and agriculture reforms. Institute detailed land revenue surveys and set up the Department of Agriculture to bring wastelands under the cultivation. During a severe famine, he raised land taxes in the fertile Doab या Ganga Yamuna plain. Doab means Ganga Yamuna plains. Now move to the second one, capital transfer from Delhi to Devgiri या Daulatabad. Afterwards he has got changed the name, means he changed the name Devgiri into the Daulatabad. In 1327 CE, current era, he forced the entire Muslim elite, scholars, nobles and artists to relocate from Delhi to Devagiri. He renamed Daulatabad, intent to center the empire and protect against the Mongol raids. The mass migration was poorly planned, thousands died on the road, and when rebellion erupted in the north, the capital was shifted back to the Delhi by the 1335 CE. Then second point is token coin experiment, symbolic currency. Around 1329 to 30 CE, he introduced copper bronze coins valued equal to the silver tanks, aiming to reduce treasury pressure from the costly campaigns. Lack of mint regulations led to the rampant forgery, means every household became a mint. Mint means where the coins will going to manufacture, that place will going to call it as a mint. Okay. Deccan policy and southern expansion. He established the direct control over the southern power centers like Warangal of the Kakatiya, Dwarasamudra of the Hoysala and Madurai of the Pandya Malabar. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, the first Delhi sultans to rule across the Deccan plateau. Though rebellions broke out, Malabar independence in 1334 to 35. Now move to the 12th. Illustrate the contributions of the Delhi sultans to the art and architecture with examples. So answer is, the Delhi sultans introduced a new style of architecture known as the Indo-Islamic. In that we have the arches, domes and minarets. From the main features of this style, the Delhi sultans constructed forts, mosques, palaces, public buildings, madrasas and chowtries. Examples of Indo-Islamic style are Quwwat-ul-Islam Mosque, Qutub Minar, Ali Darwaja and Jamaat Khana mosques at the Delhi. Now move to the next point. What was the result of the first battle of Panipat? 1526. The first Battle of Panipat resulted in Babur's victory, ended the Lodi dynasty and the Delhi Sultan, and the Mughal rule started in India. So by this one we have completed the question answers of the lesson called India from 6th to 14th century. If you have any doubt, any suggestion, then please comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share this among this video among your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video, my dears. Jai Hind.